Hi, this is Dave, and today we're going to work on the car here. We've got a 2012 Acura, and we're going to replace the gas struts that hold up the hood. The problem is right now they're worn out and the hood won't stay up on its own. So the first thing we're going to do is open the hood. To do that, you come in here and there's a lever right here, and they release. And then you release this. And you can see it won't stay up on its own.
Is it common for other cars?
Yeah, that's a typical problem for other cars. So what we're going to do is we'll take a stick and hold it up so we can work on it. The part that's broken, or worn out actually, are these gas struts here. So we're going to replace those. We've gone to the auto parts store and we've got the new struts that match the car. It's right here. There's a little clip that you can take a screwdriver and pry the clip back. Here you had to pry it back so it's loose. So then you can take this one off. So you want to make sure the hood's supported and only do one side at a time, and then it come right off. Take out the new one. And we'll start at the bottom. There's a hole here that snaps over this ball. So you just push it and it snaps on. Then up at the top, same thing. There's a hole that snaps on the ball. May have to lift the hood a little bit to get it to line up. And then it just pop on. And repeat the process on the other side.
Same.
Same thing. Snap the bottom on. Snap the top on. Now that it's done, we can remove the extra support and the hood stays up.
That's the hole.
It goes up like it should. You can close it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So what happened to the old one?
So the old one, the seals have gone bad and it no longer has the gas in it to hold it up.
It looks like it works.
It works a little bit, but it should be really hard to push. So because it doesn't have the gas anymore, it can't hold the weight of the hood up anymore. The same thing can happen with a trunk on a hatchback. They have the same kind of supports on them, and those may wear out, and you replace them the same way.